Super exciting day. We just got the engine block back and the crankshaft from Troy's Engine and Manufacturing, where we had them get worked on, and we will be starting our reassembly process.
So first off, we're gonna replace all those bolts, put the crank in, follow all the instructions, make sure we do it carefully. They have a notch right there. Only one side has that. If you look at the journal, only one side has it. So it just sits right there. I just noticed that those notches are bigger than the ones in the journal. That's not good.
So we've got some bad news. We have an entire set of lower main bearings, and that is actually a used part in earlier engines, but in this case, they actually have a lower and an upper that's different. So we've got a set here that is not compatible with this engine. We're going to be keeping the lowers, and then I'll be calling ACS Tuning, letting them know what's going on, and then hopefully get some new ones out here as fast as possible.
So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and clean the pistons, get them completely ready, and get the rings in them so that when we get those new bearings, we can proceed with speed.
So we're going to be leaving the engine and all the components on the workbench for right now. Hopefully ECS Tuning can get those parts out to us pretty quickly. We've had some luck with them helping us out with some faster shipping. So we've got the pistons right now in this bucket, and they've been sitting in some parts cleaner. So we'll be cleaning them up the rest of the way and getting them prepped to slide into the cylinders. So we just got all of the pistons cleaned up, got the ring grooves all cleaned out, make sure there was no carbon buildup. We have our new piston rings here. We're going to be carefully reading the instructions and then applying the new rings.
Well, all in all, things went pretty well. The disappointment with the older model bearing set versus the newer build bearing set is a little bit frustrating, but we were able to take a little extra time on the pistons, make sure they were super clean, get all the rings on, and we're pretty ready to go as soon as those parts get here.
I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to spend the next couple of days while we wait for those parts cleaning up some of these other pieces that I've got. Once those are here, we should be able to have the engine mostly put together block-wise, almost to the point where we're starting to put all the plastic components from the external part of the engine back on. So stay tuned, because we'll have more reassembly videos to go, and this won't be much longer than a couple videos or something. I don't know. End it there.